Hi, and this is the bonus episode of my how to draw a realistic male face series of tutorials. So in this episode we will draw 3 different beard types. Actually, it's pretty important to know how to draw beard if you're drawing a male character. So today you will know how to do that. Let's start the tutorial. For this tutorial, I decided to take the most common HB pencil, a 3B pencil and a black pencil. Eraser will be a good idea as well, and I like using blending tools, especially flat makeup brushes. If you don't have it, you probably have a Q-tip, so take that one. So, a beard is the hair that grows on the jaw, chin, upper lip, lower lip, cheeks, and neck of humans. Yes, I'm saying humans because some females also have hair growing there, and I'm one of them. I'm not ashamed of saying this. I have a few hair growing here and there, whatever. At first, I just wanted to draw the most average beard, but then I changed my mind. So first we will draw a mustache. Then I'll add a small beard that elongates the chin, and then I'll complete it with a full beard look. Therefore, we will have 3 beard styles instead of 1. Isn't it cool? I think it is. You owe me a like and a comment for this wonderful idea. I'm taking an HB pencil and sketching the mustache with 2 funny curls. This style probably has a name, but you have to forgive me for not knowing it. Drawing a beard is very similar to drawing hair, so if you saw my previous tutorial on how to draw this hairstyle, you will do great. If you didn't, watch it and check it out after this video. It's also very important to keep your pencil as sharp as possible. So now I'm using the same HB pencil and I'm just defining the flow of the mustache. So making pretty short pencil strokes, and I'm sharpening my pencil pretty often because I really need those thin lines. I believe that the first layer of hair needs to be made by the hardest pencil you have. Of course, HB is not the hardest pencil I have. I just decided to take the most average pencil grade, and it's HB, so this is why I'm doing it with HB. If you have H or 2H, it might be even better. So after sketching and defining the direction of the hair using an HB pencil, we can give it more depth by taking a softer pencil. Softer basically means darker. The nose casts a shadow, so the skin or beard is darker right below the nose tip. I'm also shading the tips of the hair along the upper lip. Remember to check out my Instagram if you want to know what I do beside YouTube, and also use this hashtag to show me your drawings. I don't have to, but I might give some of you shout outs if I like it. Softer pencils get dull a lot faster than hard pencils, like really a lot faster. So you probably need to sharpen them every minute sometimes, but it's really needed, guys, because thick strokes will not make your drawing look good. The black pencil is like a cherry on top, and I use it to make the drawing look even more 3D and realistic. You can see a small highlighted area in the middle of the mustache, and I left it light on purpose. I just didn't make any dark strokes there to make it pop up a little. I think it's very easy to draw a mustache because it's such a small area to shade. It's literally a few centimeters. So if you take a few sharp pencils, it will literally be no problem to draw like beautiful mustache. Now let's add a small beard that elongates the chin. This will be a completely different beard style. So I'm taking an HB pencil and making lots and lots of short vertical strokes under the bottom lip and on the chin. You can see that I'm drawing them even a little below the chin line. By the way, this trick can make the face look longer, so take this into account as well. Especially here, the pencil strokes are extra visible, so they really need to look thin. After the first layer, I'm taking a darker pencil and doing almost the same. It's very important to use a sharp pencil and to make short, steady strokes. I can tell you that here I'm trying to hide the chin contour by drawing a dense beard, even though I think it's not that dense. But the moment I'm satisfied, I can move to the third beard style. By the way, some time ago I was trying to draw some curved hair when drawing beard, and I think that was a waste of time. First of all, it takes extra energy to make those kind of strokes, and second of all, it's absolutely useless. Short vertical strokes will bring you a lot further and a lot faster. At least I think so. There is one more technique for drawing beard by pressing with something sharp and pointy on the paper, but let's keep it for the future tutorials. Now I'm taking an HB again and drawing short vertical strokes on the cheeks under the cheekbones. If I needed to draw a portrait of a guy with a beard, I wouldn't waste my time on the skin shading here. I hope you understand that it's totally useless to do. But it was a tutorial, so of course I had to do it. By the way, I hope you watched it. After the HB, I'm taking a softer pencil and drawing darker hair. Look at the jaw sides. You can clearly see that the beard is kinda sticking out, and I'm trying to cover this jaw contour with lots of hair to make the beard look nice instead of thin. The last and darkest pencil I'm using is this black pencil from my colored pencil set. If you feel that your strokes are a little bit too rough, you can always blend it. I'm blending with a makeup brush, as I said, but there is no rule for blending. You can take anything that blends. It can even be a piece of cloth. The last thing you might want to do is to pull out some highlights to make the beard look a little messy, you know. And this is it. Look at the drawing without beard and with beard. Don't you think that he looks older and more masculine with the beard, or do you prefer without? So this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you learned how to draw a realistic beard, mustache, or whatever grows on the male face. And if so, remember to hit the like button and write something in the comments like, hello, thank you for the tutorial, I'm your new subscriber, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye!